Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this slash vibration effect to your text on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word example. I'm also going to change the font here to something else. Where's my favorite font? I do not remember what it's called. I'm just going to use this one. Actually, it's fine. Then I'm just going to adjust the duration, right click, create compound clip, go to effects, and you're going to type in slash. This is a pro feature, by the way, so just type in slash vibration. There's a lot, but you're just going to select this one and you're just going to drag it and add it into the text. You can edit the effects, so go to video, go to effects, go to the pencil icon, and here you can change the colors to whatever you want. I'm just going to select this pink one because I like the color pink. You can also adjust the glow, the size, the atmosphere, the speed as well. Okay, that is a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's just go back here and adjust it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!